Hey guys, Varmata here, and in this video I'm going to give you the top 5 features of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So before I begin, I would like you to subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more such videos. So let's begin. So on the number one spot, I would say without a doubt is that beautiful 6.4-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED Infinity O display from Samsung, which looks fabulous. The colors on this display are amazing and the saturation is up to the mark that we expect from Samsung definitely, but this time around the brightness of this device can reach up to 1200 nits, which is highest amongst any devices which are available right now in the market, and you will have no problem whatsoever to view any content on this device even though you are in the harsh sunlight. And as you can see over here, this device leaves no stone unturned while actually making or giving you the display experience. And no matter what you are running on it, be it a YouTube video, be it Netflix, Hulu, because of the HDR plus certifications, you are going to see the content as the producer actually intended it. And even the Infinity O display, that punch hole which is there on the top right corner, does not actually affect your viewing experience because it is just on the top left side or the right side depending on how you actually use the device, and it is definitely not going to come in the way of your viewing experience. So definitely it is one of the best features. The second best feature of this device, I will have to say, is the build quality of the device. The phone comes up with Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and Gorilla Glass 5 on the back, along with a metal rim, aluminum rim, which is sandwiched in between them, which is amazing as it feels really premium in hand. Also, we have the 3.5 mm headphone jack, which nowadays is actually not there in many of the devices. So it is one of the best features of this device. And all in all, the phone feels fantastic in hand. The weight distribution is amazing at 175 grams. I would say that the phone does not feel a lot heavy, still actually giving it a more premium feel in the hand without adding much of the weight. So that is kudos to Samsung. Next, number 3 feature on this device is the 5 camera lenses which are there on this device. At the back we have 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel and 16 megapixel ultra wide camera. It's like having 3 lenses right in the back, and it is a very versatile camera, along with the dual camera which is present in the display which is there on the front. It has 10 megapixel normal lens and plus 8 megapixel RGB lens for actually depth sensing, and both these cameras actually provide fantastic display quality. And as you can see in the images, I would say nobody can be disappointed with the image quality of these devices, and we get tons of versatility when it also comes to pro mode. But right off the back, even if you take images in the auto mode, you are going to get perfect images thanks to the scene optimizer which is present in the device. And now it is better, it can actually recognize up to 30 scenes and change the settings accordingly and make your picture look fantastic, as you can see over here. In the selfie department as well, due to the secondary lens which is present, you are able to take amazing live focus images right from the camera. And also the front camera this time around is capable of taking videos at 4K at 30 frames per second, and I would say that this is one of the best camera phones in the market. The number 4 feature which we have in the device is definitely the battery. The phone is coming up with 4100 mAh battery, and truly it is a full day device, as it lasted me around every time around a full day or a day and a half on heavy use, with around 6 hours of screen on time on average, which is amazing. And it charges in 1 hour 40 minutes with the included fast charger in the box. So definitely it is amazing. And the last feature that would talk about is the in-display fingerprint scanner. This is the ultrasonic field in-display fingerprint scanner, which is really fast and it works amazing all the time. I would say with future updates it is going to improve. It is not that fast still, but even with little bit wet or greasy hands it unlocks, which is really nice. And I would say that Samsung has done a really great job over here. So yeah, this wraps up my top 5 features of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I've also done the review of this device and the unboxing, so you can check the videos out as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave comment below. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.